Hi, I'm Paweł and I'm gonna show you how to import Nuget packages in Unity. For this example I'm gonna need this package, but I can't use Nuget Package Manager because Unity will not understand it. I will simply get a ton of errors. Alright, there is a solution to do it manually, but actually there is a GitHub project that does it automatically, so I prefer to do it that way. But if you think the opposite, let me know in the comments and I will make another video for manual import. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to this Nuget for Unity project and install it with Unity Package Manager. So you copy this link, you go to Window, Package Manager, click this little plus button, add package from Git URL and paste it here. Okay, if it's done, you will have this project and another tab. Now you need to go to Manage Nuget Packages and search for what you need. For example, this one, hit install. And now it is in your installed tab, and you may uninstall it if you need. So after a few seconds, your project has this package installed and you can find it in references. Okay, but if you look at your packages, you may see that those DLLs are not there. As you may read from the GitHub description, those DLLs are in your user folder and then connected with Unity by those two components. That's it, have a good day, bye!